Hello everybody, welcome to my learning center. Our topic of discussion today is advantages of outsourcing your bookkeeping to professional bookkeepers. So let's start. What are the responsibilities of a bookkeeper in your company? Accounting and financial transactions are meticulously documented by bookkeepers. Verifying and entering information into journals and ledgers or into a computer are the duties of bookkeepers. On a regular basis, they do bookkeeping duties such as journal entries, data entry, and report generation. They also receive record, bank, and disburse cash. They reconcile their bank statements with their checkbooks every month. Plant records or time cards could be used to determine staff wages and provide payroll checks. The other tasks that they may perform include posting accounts receivable and payable, making bank deposits, keeping track of payrolls, updating inventories, and purchasing supplies. Schedules, paperwork, and bills can also be performed by bookkeepers. Accounts payable clerks, accounts receivable clerks, and assistant bookkeepers are all examples of these positions. An accountant's fee. The salary for these positions varies based on experience, clerical skills, responsibilities, and location. There is an increase in starting wages from the minimum wage to $15 an hour. Pay for an experienced bookkeeper is $20 per hour. A bookkeeper's hourly wage might rise to $25 after 3 years with the same company. Bookkeepers typically work 40 hours a week. However, overtime may be required from time to time due to unforeseen circumstances. Other fringe benefits include paid vacations and sick leave, life and health insurance, as well as monetary incentives such as bonuses and incentives. As an additional perk, the employer may provide access to a credit union, as well as retirement and profit sharing scheme. Benefits of using a professional bookkeeper to handle your bookkeeping tasks. To outsource your bookkeeping functions, there are numerous advantages to do so. First and foremost, it is important to save cash. Your service will suffer if you do not pay for it, and the same holds true for the products and services. The benefits of hiring a full-time bookkeeper, such as paid vacation, sick leave, health insurance, and other perks, can be avoided by outsourcing your bookkeeping work. This saves you money in the long run. However, keep in mind that the consultant's hourly rate will include these expenditures, and their fee will reflect these costs. If they don't know enough to incorporate these expenditures in their rates, an accounting consultant isn't someone you want on your team. If they don't, you should not hire them. You should expect to pay at least 3 times as much as you would pay a skilled full-time bookkeeper. If you are paying 3 times what an employee would get paid, how exactly are you saving money? There you go. For the time being, there will be no expenses associated with hiring, interviewing, or training new employees. If you are not satisfied with the services, there will be no further hiring, interviewing, or training required to find a new bookkeeper. As a result, you would not have to worry about sexism lawsuit, unlawful firings, age discrimination, or any other type of discrimination. As a result, your unemployment rate may rise as a result of the termination of an employee for whom you have no legal justification to do so. As a result, we will save a lot of time and money, as well as a lot of aggravation if things don't work out. Of course, you won't have to worry about things like workers' compensation or general liability insurance. Benefits like paid sick leave, health insurance, and life insurance are expected of any respectable bookkeeper. You will save room in your workplace by working with a professional accountant who has their own office. There is no need to buy a desk, calculators, computers, etc. because you already have them. Your bookkeeper will take care of all that for you. There are no software updates, computer upkeep, training expenses, etc. to worry about. You can also retain your computerized bookkeeping records in your workplace with a little investment in software that you install on your computer. In addition, there are no office materials to purchase. When you see how much a bookkeeper uses pens, pencils, papers, you won't believe it. Either you or your consultant bookkeeper can choose to drop off or pick up the work at their office, and some may even provide remote bookkeeping services as well. In addition, your bookkeeper will be able to work more efficiently and precisely if your bookkeeping is handled off-site, where there are less distractions than in your crowded office. You will save money by using this. As a result, you may control the amount of money spent on bookkeeping by outsourcing. The individual you pay to conduct your bookkeeping will be doing just that, not answering the phone, dealing with visitors, or conversing with co-workers. Even a few hours a month may be enough to get you started. But if you need to add more, you may do it at your own pace. Starting with just 4 hours each month, then increasing the workload to 20 hours per week for some time, and then reducing the workload again to 4 hours per month. Freelance bookkeepers can work around these variables and expect to work with flexible schedules. So I don't think you will be keeping them for long. Thank you for listening. Folks, visit us at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com for quality ebooks, audiobooks, and HD video courses. And join our Facebook group, My Learning Center, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, My Learning Center.